IGLI today. Experiment number 1, indoor watering plant system, or otherwise known as IWP. You know, initials, all that and everything. We gotta be formal here at least. Today we are going to try to make, or we're going to do a mock skill or experiment form to see if I can... The main goal at the end of the day is to make a system that can go all around the room on the ceiling, and then I'll have a main container that I'll have a pump in the back, and then from there I'll pump the water through all the lines, and then there I can cut into them. If anybody watching this knows drip systems, that's kind of the concept I'm using. I can cut into them and then run lines out from there and then into any pot I need and put, you know, a 0.5 gallon emitter or 1.1 gallon per hour emitter on that. So, we're going to make a mock scale. I'm going to get a box together, we're going to tape the frame around it, and then I'm going to put water, and then we're going to see if it works. The main goal for the prep is to see how much pressure I can get out of a certain amount of pump, and then also just to kind of see, can the fittings be tight enough that there's not going to be any water spraying, because I don't want to switch this on once you get it set up in the room and there's water dripping down the wall. That's not good for drywall at all. Right, Matej?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. I got to mention, Matej. I've got somebody here with me today. He's going to be my friendly assistant. Him and his family are over today to join us. Just came over, and he's going to help us with, help me, not us, me, with making this experiment. So you'll see him throughout it. He kind of hides. He likes to hide.
Yeah.
Likes to hide a lot.
Yeah.
So, without any further ado, we're going to switch over to a time lapse where you're going to be able to see that. I didn't want to do a video because it's going to take forever if I'm spending like 15 minutes on the box. So we're going to go to a time lapse. Hope you guys enjoy that, and I will see you guys soon in the laundry room, I think. Right. Till then. Hope you guys like that time lapse. We are now going to test out this maiden contraption. You can either call it Frankenstein 2.0 or it's going to be a great idea and it's going to work and you guys are going to love it and I'm going to get a lot of views, and then we're going to make a full scale one and that'll be super fun. Matei is standing over there ready to plug the pump in. Either it's going to be a make or break, and we will see which of the two it is. So, without any further ado, Matei, hit it. And it's working. Yes! Actually, it's quite a good amount of pressure. I wonder if I'll have to try it with an emitter one of these times. I didn't want to buy an emitter. You can stop it now, Matei. But it worked. I didn't get sprayed. I'm not seeing any water coming out of any holes. This is just a small pump. This is a mock scale, so hopefully we'll go larger eventually. I will see you guys over by the fire pit here in a minute. So, with any further ado, see you over there to talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back. I've got the box here to kind of showcase the work we did and all that and everything. Matei was quite helpful at plugging in cords and cutting, and he did awesome at taping. Not. Overall, I think this worked out really well. We didn't have any drippage and stuff. The only thing I will say that was a bothersome thing was that when we were working with the cord, it was kind of, you know, stiff. You kind of had to work with it a bit. I don't know if you guys saw that on the time lapse where we had to kind of bend it. This didn't really get bent. We had to just tape it eventually to get it to stay. But overall, I think it was a successful experiment, and all in all, I think we can call this experiment positive. We can do it. Yes, it is plausible, and maybe one of these days we can go full scale and put it all through the room, which I think would be really cool. Don't you think, Matei?
Yeah.
Yeah? It'd be super fun. I won't have to water. I can put the pump on a timer and everything and water. Except for I'll have to put some micro control valves in there and stuff, but that was besides the point. This was an experiment, not a full scale.
Yeah.
We weren't going to try to be like super detailed in the experiment. So if you guys like that, please like and subscribe. And share it if you thought it was interesting with anybody. You know, the idea of growing, you know, putting a sprinkler system inside. I know some people might be like, how dare you, that is unorthodox. But, you know, who knows, it might turn out to be something really cool, and something like Ray in his voodoo garden where he's got all those lights in there. You should also check out, he's got a new video he just put up on his LED lights. 10,000 lumens. I'm so excited. I'd love to have that, but I can't sleep or live or move in my bedroom with 10,000 lumens hitting me in the face. I'd have to wear sunglasses. I don't like sunglasses. So, without any further ado, thank you for watching, and yet again, like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye!